Ever noticed how customers add a product to their cart, but you know there's a better, upgraded version they could choose instead? That's why we built Upsell, one of over 30 powerful sales tools inside Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app designed to help you sell more. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Upsell app and enable it in just one click. Next, create your upsell offer. You can let customers upgrade to a higher-end product, add more premium features, or move to a larger size. Once saved, your new upsell offer will appear right after customers add a product to their cart, giving them the perfect chance to upgrade. Upsell is just one of over 30 apps in Crucials, all built to boost conversions, increase average order value, and grow your BigCommerce store. Try Crucials today, and turn every add to cart into an opportunity for more sales.